Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinz. Thanks for stopping in. I'm going to show you how to make a tasty, simple Hunan chicken. We're going to be starting off with some chicken thighs that are always care certified. We're going to bone them, skin them, and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Next, I'm going to add it to a medium-sized bowl. At this stage, we're going to add in a little bit of cornstarch, some soy sauce. Then, using clean hands or glove-on hands, let's mix all of these ingredients until completely combined. Then set them to the side briefly for 15 to 20 minutes. This is great timing because now we can prep up our veggies. Got some green onions, bell peppers, squash, and zucchini. We're going to cut these into roughly 1-inch size cubes, then briefly set those to the side, and now quickly for our sauce. I've got some rice vinegar, some water, some soy sauce. Next, we're going to add in some chili garlic sauce. Now some honey for some nice sweetness. And this next one is optional, but I've got some Two Brothers bean garlic sauce. Now, if you don't want to use this bean garlic sauce, no problem. Add 2 more tablespoons to the soy sauce and the water. At this stage, we're going to whisk it until it is completely combined and set it to the side. Now we're going to add some avocado oil to a very large nonstick frying pan over high heat. Add in our chicken. Then immediately start to spread it around all over the pan to cover all the surface area so that it gets a nice brown on them. Then let it sit for about 1 minute to 90 seconds. Come back and begin to stir fry the chicken by moving everything around so that it's golden brown on all sides and cooked throughout. Once it is to this stage, we're going to set it to the side on a plate. Add it right back to the burner. Add in a bit more avocado oil. Then we're going to stir fry our peppers, squash, and zucchini. We're going to do this for only about 30 seconds. Then we're going to come back and add in some finely minced garlic and ginger. We're going to stir fry for another 30 seconds. Then we're going to add in our cooked chicken and then come back with our sauce. Remain on high heat. Now what's going to happen is the cornstarch in the chicken is going to start activating the sauce so that it becomes nice and thick, just like this. We want a nice, good consistency. I'm going to finish with some of the sliced green onions. Let's mix those until combined. Then we're finished. Now what to serve this up with? I personally like jasmine rice. Give it a quick rinse, then add it to a pot of boiling water and cook it according to the package instructions, which is usually covered and over low heat for 12 to 15 minutes. Once it's done, you can have a quick look. Perfect. Briefly set it to the side or serve it up with our Hunan chicken. The other option are rice noodles. Add it to a pot of boiling water, then using a tong or forks, move it around for about 6 to 7 minutes or until cooked, then rinse it well under cold water. Then, my friends, you have a perfect Hunan chicken, which is excellent for weekend or weekday nights.